On page 110, we come across a number of new chord forms that you can choose from. We already know this minor 7 chord. Let's do A minor 7 in the 5th position. Not this one, but first finger. Again, this is a physical relationship. If we can play this, we can play C major. We can play B flat major. The 4th finger on the 6th string is the root. A minor 7, C major. Another way to play C7 is to think of this form of C major and just move our 4th finger off of the 6th string and put it on the 4th string, and we have a C7 chord. Root 3. B flat major, B flat 7. C major, C7. A major, A7. Also, here is another physical relationship. We have the C major, the C7, and now we have a new major 7. We have, notice how all these chord forms are related by the first finger barred across a number of strings. So we have a C7. To get F major 7, we just put our 4th finger up on the 5th string and our 3rd finger on the 4th string. Root 5. Yeah, we know another F major 7 root 5. Here's another one, a new one. So exercise 1, C major. I'll just play the chords first. C7, look at my fingers. F major 7, all in the 5th position. F minor 6, root 2. Let's do that line again. C major, C7, F major 7, F minor 6. Then we're going to go to C major 7 in the 8th fret, A diminished, root 4 in the 5th position, D minor 7, look at that again, C major 7, A diminished, D minor 7, G diminished, again root 4, back to a good old C major, our new one, F major, C major. Now I'll play it in tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll take you a while physically to play and also to remember, so do it nice and slow. Again, just play one chord every time it changes, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready. Always think about the next chord. Oh, we're going up to the 8th fret. We're going down to 5th, 4th, slide up, F, C. In the next exercise, exercise 2, we have a minor 9 chord. We already know a minor 7 with root 6 with our 2nd finger. Let's do A minor 7. A minor 9, it might be a stretch for you right now, but you'll get used to it, is to put your 4th finger 2 frets up from it on the 1st string. A minor 7, A minor 9. Try that. A minor 7, A minor 9, G minor 7, G minor 9, B flat minor 7, B flat minor 9. After the minor 9th, we have a dominant 13th chord. And again, it's physically related to the minor 9th. again, actually physically related to the ninth. We know a D9 with fifth string root. What we're going to do with the D ninth chord, remember we played A minor ninth and reached our fourth finger over 2 frets on the first string. Same thing with D ninth. We're going to reach over and play the B or the 7th fret, 2 frets over on the first string, and this is a D 13th chord. A minor 9, D 13. Let's do A minor 7, D 9, A minor 9, D 13th. There's another dominant ninth chord that we get from this form. We have a D 13th, and now we can call this next one a D9 sharp 5. Here's our 5. D 13th, D9 sharp 5. D 13th, D9 sharp 5. So let's look at exercise 2. We start off with C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, then we go to A minor 9, A minor 7, D 13th, D 9th sharp 5, which is only one finger we move down. Then we have D minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, root 5, G7 sus 4, G13. Now we go with that new C major, F minor 6, root 2, C major 7. Slowly I'll play this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that exercise, I forced myself to play this G13 instead of this one, just for the sake of playing that G13 and having a choice. My first instinct would be to play this one. To me, it's a nicer sounding one. But if you're already barring the 3rd fret, you can play the G13th like that, and then C. At the bottom of the page, we have a number of ways of playing a major 6 chord. You already know root 6, this major 6, and this major 6. These next 3 major 6 are derived from other forms. We already know an A major chord, root 6, just like what we played at the top of this page, major. All we have to do is play the F sharp, the 2nd fret, with our first finger. In other words, we just continue barring that first finger. There's our A6 chord, A major, A6. The next one is derived from this major chord, C. Again, we have 3 frets that we hold down with our 3rd finger. Now we're going to hold down the first string, 4 strings, and get this for C6. C major, C6, C major, C6. The next one is derived from our good old A minor chord. What we do is put our 4th finger down on the 5th string, which is C in this case, and we have a C6 chord. You could either say it's root 5 or root 2. Remember our C7? Here's our C6. And as it says at the bottom of the page, this one, the one with root 2 or root 5, with our fourth finger root 5, is a most useful form because the sixth is in the middle of the strings, of the range of the guitar. It's hard to play rhythm guitar and to get the sixth ringing on the first string. You'd have to, but here you have that flick of the wrist and you're getting the sixth. We don't have to go. But learn all three forms. They'll always come in handy.